In this video, I'm going to show you PressReader. You are able to give access to newspapers and magazines for your students if you wish to. Once you sign into your master account on the Listening Books website and you've added your children to the school dashboard who you'd like to receive the service, if you have indicated that they are allowed to access PressReader here, because you can do this individually, student by student, then this is how those students would access PressReader. When browsing books on our site, instead of scrolling down and looking at the audiobooks that we have, they should click here on newspapers and magazines. Each time they go into the PressReader site, their parent will be asked to tick these terms and conditions. This is just to say that you understand that Listening Books can hold no responsibility for what is featured in the newspapers and magazines. There are newspapers and magazines from all over the world with lots of differing opinions. So once you've ticked that box, just go to Visit PressReader. And from here, you'll be able to listen to thousands of newspapers and magazines. So along the top, there's often this featured panel here. Once we go down, you can choose to look for magazines and newspapers from different countries, which is nice to use with students who are maybe not from the UK or are looking to learn different languages. You can also search via language as well. And you can tick on a language that you're looking for and it will bring up results in that language. Of course, we can scroll down and have a look at the different categories we've got. So a nice one here is the children's and tweens category. If you click on here, it brings up all the different newspapers and magazines in all the different languages as well. So you can see here we've got Beano, we've got some French magazines, and also if you look down at all the different languages here, there's lots and lots of different types of magazines that they can look at. So if I'm going to open here the Week Junior, so these are the brand new magazines. They're out in the shop. This is all included in your subscription, and each and every child can access this from their logins if you as the teacher decide that they are able to. So what they can do here, they can click on Read Now, and that will bring up the magazine, and you'll be able to use your mouse to kind of scroll through. They see something that they're interested in, double click on that section and it will bring it bigger for you, and you can use your mouse to kind of scroll around. Double click to come out. If you scroll back to the beginning of the page, you'll also see this listen button here, so you can go to listen and you can listen to the magazine as well. Now, the newspapers and the magazines are the only thing in our catalogue that isn't read by a human. All our audiobooks are human narration, but because the newspapers and magazines are updated daily, they are the only things read by the computer. So just press this listen button here and it will take you through.
The big kick-off. All you need to know about the Women's World Cup.
The countdown to the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup is on.
There we go. You can also view kind of text-only versions. If you've got your own screen reader, you can go to this button here and use the text-only version with the screen reader that you'd like to listen to the magazine on. So this is available, as well as all the audiobooks, to all your students should you give them permission. Any questions at any time, don't hesitate to get in touch with the Listening Books team.